Sending heartiest greetings to my dear viewers. Welcome to another recipe by Serenity Cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds. Today I will make a pasta with zucchini that helps your health in a number of ways. Can help you lose weight as part of an overall healthy diet. However, the benefits of this squash go beyond calorie control. So let's dive into the recipe. Start by boiling lasagna sheets. According to package instructions, add salt and oil to water to avoid sticking. Also check after short interval if it's done to avoid overcooking. Take zucchini and cut into pieces, lengthwise. You don't need to peel its skin off as it's edible. Because of its rich antioxidant content, zucchini can also protect against a variety of chronic illnesses, including heart disease, certain types of cancer, and age-related cognitive decline. After cutting it, apply salt and cayenne pepper to it. You can chop it and add to gravy or sauté or fry it. I will not suggest to deep fry it, as it may reduce its effectiveness. I am going to air fry them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. When lasagna sheets are done, transfer to a plate or dish to let them cool and spread them later on to avoid breakage. Now I am going to make lasagna filling. Take some oil and wok and add one large chopped onion to it. Cook until translucent and add chopped garlic. Fry until golden brown and aromatic. Now add to chopped tomatoes. I am adding some pasta water for texture and flavor. Cook to form puree. Add half teaspoon lemon juice. Salt to taste. Cayenne pepper. And 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. When puree is ready, add mince. I have added half kilogram of chicken mince. Mix well. Cover with lid and wait until fully cooked. If you reach this stage of recipe, accept a special thanks and let me know. Where are you watching from? Add milk gradually for creaminess. If you are watching my video for first time on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, please follow me. Subscribe my channel if you are YouTube viewer. This way you have access to my all new recipes. Also, give a thumbs up if you like my recipes. It will help my recipes to reach a wide audience. Add oregano for enhanced aroma and flavor. Let's make caramelized garlic and sesame white sauce. Add oil and garlic in a pan and fry. Mash the garlic and oil. Also add sesame seeds and fry few moments. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Roast the ingredients until golden brown and aromatic. Gradually add milk and keep mixing until become a smooth cream-like texture. Add salt, oregano and cayenne pepper. It's time for assembling. Layer lasagna sheets, then chicken mince, then zucchini, then white sauce, and lasagna sheets again. Continue layering until the dish is full. Sprinkle your favorite cheese on top. Don't be crazy about cheese. It has a lot of calories. Be moderate for a healthy lifestyle. Also sprinkle some black olives and oregano. Bake until a golden crust on lasagna. I baked it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Zucchini lasagna is ready to be enjoyed. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll come back soon with another one. Take care.